Hi friends, I'm Stephanie from First Grade Bangs, and I'm the creator of Lola Math. Lola is a lovable character who teaches math to students in kindergarten, first, and second grade, using familiar scenarios with her family, friends, and even her pets. The video is about to start, but it is not meant to be viewed all at once. You will need to push the pause button to stop the video when your students need to think, solve problems, or talk to a partner about what they've learned. When the lesson is over, you can click below to download 2 quick checks for understanding, 2 options for independent practice, and scripted hands-on interventions for students who may need a little extra practice with this skill. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can find other videos like this for your class. Are you ready? Let's get started with today's math lesson. Lola counts one by one. This is Lola. She is in kindergarten just like you. Today she is going to practice counting carefully. Can you say hello? Hello, it is very nice to meet you. Today we are going to practice counting carefully. Did you know that good mathematicians are careful counters? It's true. One of the very first thing good mathematicians learn is how to count carefully. They know that they should count one number for each object. The easiest way to do this is to touch each object while you say the number. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did I do? Did I remember to count one number for each object? Yes, I did. I can do it with different objects too. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did I do? Did I remember to count one number for each object? Yes, I did. I can do it with even more kinds of objects. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did I do? Did I remember to count one number for each object? Oops! What did I do wrong? Can you tell me what I should have done instead? You're right. I didn't touch each number while I was counting, and I missed one of the bears. I need to remember to count one thing at a time and go slowly. If I count too fast, I might miss a bear or get mixed up again. That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. I really want to be a good mathematician, though. I'm going to try counting those bears again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did I do that time? Was I a careful counter? How could you tell? Hooray! I'm really proud of myself for trying it again. Good mathematicians never give up. This time I remembered to touch each object while counting slowly. Are you ready to give it a try? Terrific! Now you are ready to practice counting carefully on your own. Your teacher will tell you what math materials you will use and where you will practice. Thanks for learning with Lola. See you next time.